Hello everyone! So before I get into the video, I do just want to apologize if you hear some loud noises. My neighbor is rudely using his snowblower right now. But I hope that it is not too loud and it doesn't bother you guys too much. There are just some days where I'm just not in the mood and everything annoys me, and today is one of those days. I'm like, shut up! I don't care if it's Wisconsin, I don't care if we had a blizzard. Stop snow blowing. I don't like it. Anyway, so recently I changed up my hair. I bleached it and I dyed it, and it is currently very much in my face. So today I thought I would show you guys how I bleached my hair, and then in the next video I will show you guys how I dyed it. So if you want to know how I bleached my black hair, and you might be wondering why my hair is so dark now, I started with bright red hair and it was bothering me so much. That red hair bled more than any other time I've had red hair or any color I've done. It bled even when it was dry for the longest time, and I was sick and tired of it. So I tried dyeing it brown, like a medium brown, kind of like this, but the red was still peeking through a lot. It was more of a reddish brown burgundy, which I didn't want. So I tried using a soft black color. Same deal, that red just didn't want to go, so it was very burgundy. I didn't like it. So I thought, I'm just going to bleach it because I don't think anything else is going to get this out. I know that some people would probably recommend a color remover. I have never used a color remover. I am scared to use a color remover because I've had no experience with it. So I just thought, I'm going to do what I know how to do, bleach my hair with box bleach, and then do a medium brown over that. That's what I did. The end result's good. My hair isn't as damaged as it probably should be, so at the end of the day, I'm happy. I know I probably didn't go about things the right way, but you know what? There's billions of products out there for a reason, because there is not one right way. There are billions of ways, and everyone can just go on their own journey, okay? I'm in a mood today. But yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleached my hair. I used L'Oreal in the shade, I have to Google, I should have been prepared for this. So I used L'Oreal Paris Feria Shimmering Permanent Hair Color in Extreme Platinum, and I got 3 of those. And I made sure my hair was nice and dirty. Then I bleached it. There's really not much to say. I feel like if any of you have bleached your hair before, you know the drill, but if you don't, it's very simple. The cool thing about box bleach is it's very idiot proof. Like, they have it all on the bottles, 1, 2, 3. I've always had good experience with it. It lightens a lot. I feel like my hair is less splotchy. Was I gonna say splatchy? I don't think splatchy is a word. My hair is always less splotchy. When I use this, it's not that damaged compared to other bleaches I have used, so I would recommend it. I know a lot of people say do not use box bleach. I personally like box bleach. It makes things a lot easier when I use it, so I like it. I feel like it gets me to where I need to go. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys the whole process of me doing it. It is pretty straightforward, but I know that for me, I'm always nervous about bleaching, so I always like to watch lots of videos and stuff to mentally prepare, I guess. Okay, so yeah, I will show you guys the whole process. You will get to see what my hair looked like before I did it and after, of course, and I'm going to try to do a voiceover. I've never done a voiceover before, so I feel like this is gonna be really weird and awkward, so sorry about that in advance, but let's get right to it because you guys don't want to hear me ramble, so yeah. Okay, so this is me showing that I sectioned, kind of. I then took the top off of the #1 bottle, took the packet of bleach, which is labeled #2, and tried to shake out all the clumps. I remember that of all the 3 boxes, the first box had the clumpiest bleach in the packet. I tried to look less inappropriate while shaking that up. I remember having that thought process. Shake it up, and then take scissors and cut the packet of bleach. I feel like I'm just stating the obvious. Then I pour it into the #1 bottle. which is actually a lot harder than it looks. I feel like anybody who has bleached their hair with box bleach would know the struggle. This is me getting confused, probably forgetting everything I'm supposed to do. I take the flat top and put it on the first bottle, and then I shake it up, take off the top. I put in the number 3 bottle. Ooh, this is my favorite part of the whole dyeing process, is piercing that little seal with the top. Okay, this is me having way too much fun pouring number 3 into number 1. Why do I look so happy about that? I don't know. I put the flat top on, and then you shake it up again. I remember having Shake It by Metro Station stuck in my head during this time. I put the nozzle on, and then you just twist off that top, which is really nice because sometimes you have to like get a scissors and cut it off. So then I pretty much just started to apply the bleach, starting at my ends, working my way up, and just making sure everything was fully saturated.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. It's so cold outside. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. It's so cold outside. I'm
And this was the final result. It was a little bit pink, I would say, just a little bit. You can probably see the horror on my face. But yeah, I actually was pretty impressed considering I had bright red hair under black hair dye. I think it did a really good job. It was pretty splotchy, but not too splotchy, not too damaged. It did what I needed it to do, and I would recommend this product. I feel like this is my go-to bleach now that I've had multiple good experiences with it. I've tried to do it the right way before, and that always ended in disaster. The splotchiest bleached hair I've ever had came from me trying to do it the right way, and the most damaged. When I use this product, my hair is not damaged. It bounces back really fast. It lightens really well. It's usually very even, and although I need 3 boxes and it's maybe more expensive than just getting a tub of bleach and a bottle of developer, I feel more comfortable with it. I feel like I get a better result. So even though it's not the right way, it's my way. I like it. I like doing it this way. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're interested in bleaching your hair and maybe you're like me and you just want something a little bit idiot proof, then I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this brown hair color, which looks a lot darker on camera than it is, and also I have oil in my hair which kind of darkens it up. But if you guys want to see what I did to get this color, then you can check out my next video because I will be talking all about that in that video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped someone, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! That snowblower is so loud. Are you almost done? I can't talk today. That snowblower's not helping. It's really aggravating me.